Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Symptomify Airdrop. This is a airdrop, Telegram airdrop that is going to do well. Here is the last up. They say time is running. Symptomify will be listed at the end of Q1. This Q1 will be March, and from now to March is very close. But I'll show you how you can farm this project to get a lot of points before this Q1. And here they say complete all tasks to be eligible. Complete the star and turn task to earn more points. Optional. If you want to earn more points, you can complete the star and turn task to earn more points. So I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Use that link and join if you have not started. Take this Symptomify Airdrop very serious. March is by the corner. It's going to do well if you are serious. Now let's go to the post so that I'll show you what to do. So right now, once you click on the link, it will take you to the Telegram. It will calculate your Telegram age, and after that you get your point right here. You get Sympt point right here. Then the first thing to do is to connect your wallet. Tap on this wallet connection. Then you choose your Timekeeper, whichever wallet you use. Click on Timekeeper. Then you click on connect. So right here, my wallet is now connected. Can you see that? Then the next thing to do is to click over to this end session. Tap on it. You have tasks to perform. Here are several tasks to perform. They have already said it that you should do end tasks to get to be eligible. Click on let me claim this connection. Successful. So the next thing to do is to complete them. Go add websites. You get 1,000 sympt. Just do your tasks. Join their community. Follow them on X and join the community. Claim the point. Success. So this is just do your tasks. It's not even difficult. We have the in-game, the partners. Look at the partners. Also do the partners and get points. Then you have the VIP. This VIP task, you can as well do it. This ones, the VIP require mainly turn transactions, sending maximum star to get points. If you click on the leadership board, ladder board, you can see that people really have something here. The highest person is having 24 million. That's the highest person, and the second person here is 22 million. So this project is really going to do well, and people really don't know much about it. Unlike other projects, you see 1 trillion points already on the leaderboard. So this is basically how you can farm this project. Take it serious. Take it serious. Just do your tasks. They have a lot of tasks to do that will give you points. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like and share, and also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. There will be a link in the description of this video. Use that link. Jump. March is very close. You never can tell. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.